Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got Glamnetic on the menu today. I so much love this package that it came in. Who doesn't love a holographic packaging, right? But I've been very excited to try this. So Glamnetic is another type of magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes, and I must say I get ads for this on Instagram all the time. Like, I feel seen, I feel targeted, they're coming for me, and they got me. But I definitely wanted to give this one a try just because there's so many magnetic liner and lashes out there right now. I do want to just kind of see which one I like best and what eyeliner I like best, because the last one I tried, I'll be sure to link that one below. I was really happy with the results, but I had a little bit of an issue with the eyeliner. So what I'm actually going to do today is I'm going to do one eye where I do waterproof eyeliner and then just a little bit of the magnetic eyeliner on top, and then I'm going to do one eye with just the magnetic eyeliner. So I ordered the Jumpin' on a Jet bundle, and it comes with 2 types of lashes and their magnetic eyeliner, and I'm very excited because the lashes look very pretty online. This pair are the Lavish lashes, definitely really dramatic and fun and full. And then this pair are the Lush lashes. I think these ones are even more dramatic than the Lavish lashes, but they're definitely so pretty. I think for today, I'll probably go with the more tame pair. They're both pretty crazy, I know, but I'm gonna go ahead and try Lavish lashes. I'm a little bit more drawn to these. So what I'm gonna do is on my left eye, I'm going to use some of the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof eyeliner on one eye. And then I'm going to put their eyeliner on top of the eyeliner on my left eye, and then just use the eyeliner by itself on the right eye. I just kind of want to see which one works best for me. Here she goes on the left eye. All right, so that Stila eyeliner is on. Now I'm going to go in with the Glamnetic magnetic eyeliner. It does say to shake the bottle before each use. So the applicator and the way the eyeliner looks so far looks very similar to the one that I tested out previously. So for the other brand, they had very specific instructions on how long to put the eyeliner on and wait how many seconds and do another layer. For this one, it definitely just says to apply the magnetic eyeliner on lash line where lashes adhere. Adhere magnetic lashes with magnetic eyeliner. That's all it says. So I'm just gonna go in and do what I normally do and see how she goes. Okay, that's on. So now I'm gonna go with the magnetic eyeliner and just put a little bit on top of what I already had going on the left eye. Okay, so far so good. The eyeliner definitely feels more of like a heavier, liquidier liner. So I could definitely feel the eyeliner on my lashes still kind of drying. So also on here, it says to make sure that you trim the lashes to make sure that they fit your eye. So I'm just going to gently pull one off and double check that it's a good size for my eye. Yeah, from what I can tell, it's gonna fit my eye pretty nicely without having to trim. But make sure that you double check that, because you don't want it to be too long and it's like stabbing in your eye, and then your eye starts to water, and then your magnetic eyeliner goes away, and then your lashes start to lift, and it's a whole big thing. Okay, so I think the liner feels a little bit tacky still, but you know, I'm just gonna go in with it. I'm gonna get up nice and close so you can see if the magnets catch. Here we go. Oh, it's caught onto my lashes where there was a little bit of the eyeliner. They're definitely on, if you could see me tugging. Okay, hey! They're very long and fun. Okay, here we go on the left side. That one corner's already on. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's like really, really on there. I'm like trying to readjust and it's like kind of tough to pull it off. Wow, okay, they feel very sturdy. Wow, okay, you guys, they feel very, very sturdy. Like I was trying to adjust one of them a little bit and it was almost like a little bit like I felt the force of the magnets. But they are so fun. They're very wispy and very full. They're almost a little bit long for what I'm used to. I can see them in my vision line. But I really do feel like they feel very secure, which is awesome. And yeah, the only thing that I think I have an issue with the magnetic liners in general is that, like, at least for when I'm putting my false lashes on with glue, I can kind of make sure that I'm like adjusting like the angle of which like the lashes are pointing up and down. But with the magnetic lashes, I just kind of feel like this is the angle that they have to go in because, you know, the magnets are being pulled on top of the liner. And so sometimes it bothers me a little bit when the eyelashes I feel like aren't totally even in the way that they are angled. But that is just something that maybe I just need to get more used to when I'm putting them on and off. And so, yeah, but overall, that was super easy to use. I am going to bring back the handy dandy blow dryer test to make sure that the wind and everything is going to not mess with these lashes. But honestly, with me trying to just move them on and off, it was a struggle. So I'm pretty sure that they're secure. But let's try low first. Okay, that's totally fine. I feel like it didn't even move them. I'm gonna do high now. Okay. Woo! Let's see. I'm a win blow now, girl. All right, I don't think that anything moved. So we are still good to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go about my day. I have some meetings I gotta dial into. I might even try to do a little bit of a workout on my Peloton, get some cardio in, just to really put these lashes through a test and see how they go. And I will be sure to come back later and check in with you guys for final thoughts and let you guys know kind of like how they lasted throughout my day and a workout. So I'll be back and I'll talk to you guys later. Hi everyone, I am back. Apologies ahead of time if I look a little bit crazy. I just hopped off of my Peloton and I did a 45-minute cycling class, so I was a little bit sweaty. I did do a little bit of dabbing to make sure that there's no active sweat beads, and my hair looks crazy, but you know, you guys know that I put the lashes to the test today. But I have just been at home, I've dialed into some meetings, I did a workout, and I must say that the lashes have really held up. So they are definitely still on. Earlier, my eyes did water up a little bit, so I had a little bit of lifting in the inner corners, but I also, when I sweat a lot in my face and my forehead, so definitely a little bit of sweat got in my eyes. So, but for the most part, they are pretty much on. I don't think you can really see any sort of lifting when you're looking. Just the magnets of the inner corners of my eyes have lifted, but everything else have really held up. And I'm also really surprised that I have no dripping of any of the eyeliner. The eyeliner on this side where it's just the magnetic liner, no running or any raccoon eyes or anything like that. I swear I have not done any sort of like this action where I'm trying to clean up the dripping and melting eyeliner at all today. I have just left it alone and everything has stayed. So I think moving forward, I will just use the Glamnetic eyeliner. I don't really feel like I need to use a waterproof eyeliner underneath. So you know how earlier when I said that the thing that frustrates me a little bit with the lashes is I feel like I can't really control the angle as to how the eyelashes are angled. Hopefully you guys know what I'm saying. I don't want to be looking like this. But basically what I realized what I did was this lash, I liked the way and the angle that it looked. And that was because I put the lash towards the top of the eyeliner line, if that makes sense. So just for example, if my eyeliner line is, for example, this thick, I place the lash on top of the eyeliner line, like closer to the lid. But then this eye, when I placed the lashes, it was a little bit closer to my lash line. So it was kind of along the liner here. So the angle of the lash was different because I placed them on different parts of the eyeliner. But basically just make sure when you are putting the lash onto the eyeliner that they are kind of positioned in similar areas of your eye. That way you can make sure that the angle and the way that the lashes are positioned are symmetrical. So hopefully that makes sense. So right now what I wanted to do is I wanted to try on the other pair. So the pair that I have on right now is called the Lavish Lash. And I wanted to give the Lush Lash a try next, just to see what the differences are. But I'm gonna go ahead and gently pull the Lavish Lash off. Oh, just sticks right back into this case. Just gonna go back through to do a quick topping of more of the eyeliner so I could try the other pair on. Wow, these are very dramatic. But you see how easy that went on? Oh my gosh, these are very dramatic. I can like feel them touching my eyelid. But they're really pretty, but definitely for a more dramatic effect. Okay, they're on. These are definitely so pretty, but they're very, very dramatic. They're very long and I could feel them touching my eyelid. But when you go onto their website, they show you all different kinds of their list of lashes, and it shows you like their dimensions and everything like that. So if you're a little bit nervous about what to pick, make sure you want something really dramatic, then go for the longer. And if you want something a little bit more natural, then go for something a little bit smaller. But again, my bundle was the Lavish Lash and the Lush Lash. Just say that 5 times fast. And one of the eyeliners. And right now on their website, it is on sale for 10% off for $89.99 for this bundle. I follow Glamnetic on Instagram and they're always posting really great discounts and deals. So definitely if you're thinking about it, I highly, highly recommend these. The lashes are really great quality and they're really, really pretty. I am really enjoying this eyeliner a lot because I like that it hasn't melted on me and it doesn't seem to be bothering my eyes at all. I've been wearing the eyeliner for 8 hours and I definitely don't feel like I'm irritated by it or anything like that. So I will continue to use these for sure. And online they say that you could use these for up to 40 plus times, but I honestly feel like if you take care of them, you can use them for longer than that. When you reuse, you just clean the magnets with a Q-tip dipped in makeup remover just really gently and then put them back in here to keep them their pretty shape. But I really like it and I'm very excited excited because I've been eyeing this brand for a really long time now on Instagram, and I finally tried it and I really like it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will be sure to link everything that I used in the description box below, and I will also link my other magnetic lashes if you want to check out the other brand as well. But really hope that you guys are taking care of yourselves and taking care of each other and hanging in there in this like very, very strange time. I will continue to put out some fun, distracting videos for you guys to check out each week. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you know when I post my videos, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.